My question is regarding the Palestinian cause and the normalization with Israel. And as you know, all of you, the cause is witnessing now the worst days. If we look back to the history, we see each state in the Muslim world which normalized its relationships with Israel found for itself like an excuse under the big name, the umbrella, the realpolitik. Some of them make the excuse of to avoid foreign pressures. Some of them to get back their own land, like Egypt and Camp David. Some of them to seize another land, like what happened last 2 years in Abraham Accords. Some of them to get to win and to gain stability or prosperity inside. Some of them to get protection from foreign threats, like some of the Gulf states and Iran. But in all the cases, those states were the winners and still the winners. And the loser, unfortunately, is the Palestinian cause. Now, as we know, Pakistan is still suffering from the Kashmir problem, more international pressures, and instability inside. My question to you, Mr. Imran Khan, can you assure million of Muslims and people across the world that Pakistan under the leadership of Mr. Imran Khan will never sacrifice Palestinian rights and Jerusalem, and will never normalize the relationships with the Zionist state under any excuse? Thank you.
Well, the founder of Pakistan, who we call Quaid-e-Azam, the great leader, he in 1948 gave a statement on Palestine, and he spoke about the injustice which was being done to the people of Palestine. And he was very clear that Pakistan would not accept or would not recognize Israel as long as the people of Palestine were not given justice. So that has been basically the line of all Pakistani heads of state since then. And secondly, we have the issue of Palestine is almost exactly the same as the people of Kashmir. So the moment we give up, our principled stand on the recognition of Israel, means that we give up on Kashmir too, because the issues are more or less the same. There are United Nations Security Council resolutions which are more or less the same on Kashmir as well as Palestine. And if we say that the moment we recognize Israel, then we have abandoned the people of Palestine for them to get a just settlement for a homeland. And then we cannot take a stand for the people of Kashmir either. So therefore, I don't think any Pakistani head of state will ever recognize Israel, no matter how tempting it is, because Israel is powerful in the sense it has huge influence in the United States. So the United States being a superpower, every country wants to have a good relationship with them. So the temptation is that if you recognize Israel, you will have a good relationship with the US. But the problem in Pakistan is that it's a democratic country, and anyone who wants to go to the people, he knows that the public will never accept any head of state who's recognized Israel.